Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about clicking noise on a Foreman grill. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about clicking noise on a Foreman grill is Food and Drink, s.blogspot.com. See the page titled Foods and Drinks, Clicking Noise on a Foreman Grill. This is the link. You can also try answers.yahoo.com, especially the page PLZ Help. I have questions to everyone who owns a George. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site answers.yahoo.com. The web page My George Foreman Grill. Yahoo Answers. Here's the link.